Hi guys, my name is Caitlin Hamilton. I am an independent consultant with Arbonne International, and I have been a makeup artist for 7 years, and I'm really excited to create these videos to make it easier for you to do a simple daytime makeup application. Makeup is something that you can have so much fun with and add a little bit of glow without feeling like you have a cakey face and like you have too much going on your skin. I love the Arbonne makeup. I've been wearing it for 6.5 years now. So here goes, a quick and easy way to get out the door in the morning with kids, and quick 5 to 10 minute makeup application to feel good and confident and have a little bit of, glam to your skin throughout the day. So first things first, I've got my moisturizer on, and I've also got a scratch on my nose. So I was gonna not do this video because I had a scratch in my nose, but you know what, this is life and I'm human and I'm gonna do it anyways. First product, our makeup primer. Makeup primer can be applied to your entire face to help your makeup stay on longer. It helps it not stick to any dry areas on your skin. And so I bring this all the way down under your eyes, especially if you have any dry areas. And it also allows you to use less makeup and less product on your skin because it goes on much smoother. So it's clear. Feels amazing. So spread all of my primer out first, and there we go. Second step is the concealer. So the concealer, what I do, I put a little bit on my hand here, and I still use the same brush, and what the concealer does is it actually helps cover up any blemishes or dark spots or even dark circles under the eye. So don't be afraid to layer it under the eye. I tend to have some dark circles depending on how much sleep I've gotten, and just bring it above here. I love this brush because it really helps get into the little nooks and crannies around our eyes and our face. So you can see the difference between my eyes here. That's just a little bit of concealer. And of course, you can also take it and highlight certain areas, so in around the nose creases. If you're not sure how to contour and highlight your face, they have different maps actually on, you can Pinterest, Google, YouTube, and figure out like where the highlight goes. The highlight wants to go where you want to accentuate an area, so like your eyes, if you have bigger eyes, then you might want to use darker colors around your eyes and maybe less of a highlight to make them look a little smaller. Or if you're trying to make things look bigger, then obviously you're going to use a highlighter or a concealer like I just did. So I've concealed around my eyes, covered up that little spot, and next step is foundation. Okay, so foundation. So the color that I use is Golden Beige for this. A little bit on all over my face. Same brush. And you don't have to get too carried away with bringing it all the way up to your eyes because you've already concealed around there with your previous concealer. But you want to make sure that you bring it all the way down. There's nothing worse than seeing somebody who hasn't blended their makeup. I'm sure there's worse things, but and color matching with a foundation, you can just do it on your face, like along the jawline is best. Some people think that doing a color match on your hand, which kind of blows my mind because your face is not very close to your hand, so I'm not sure why you would do a color match for your face on your hand, but that's just my opinion. Got my liquid foundation on. Now I'm just going to set it quickly with a powder. So next step is my powdered foundation. I personally love to use the loose powdered foundation. I find that it doesn't leave your skin wet after you put your liquid powder on. So I'm just going to take my brush here from the Arbonne brush set, the biggest brush that is in there, and you just need a tiny little bit. So it's nice that this little mesh covering is here to allow you to use less product. And you're just gonna work it in along the areas. This is a darker, and then I'm gonna come in with a lighter color that I like to highlight with. So I'm just really doing the areas that I didn't put concealer and that I put that darker foundation. So blending that all in. Next I have, it's a little lighter, so this color is Radiant. And I'm just going to take it and set the areas that I put that light concealer. So it's a little bit of a lighter foundation that really helps brighten those areas that we want to highlight. And guys, sometimes it's like less product is better, and just using your brush and really moving the product around. So I'm gonna highlight down here. In and do right down the middle is a good spot to highlight. Okay, next is our contouring palette. So I'm going to contour the cheeks again. Like I said before, you can check out different things on Pinterest and YouTube, Google, on how to map out where the good spots are to contour on your face. But what I'm going to show you here is just taking this angled brush and what you want to do with this is you want to contour your areas of your face where you have the lines, the fishy face lines. So basically it's like just below your cheekbone from the corner of your lips all the way to like the top of your ear. And you want to stay within there, but you can again work the product with your brush. This is going to make you accentuate your cheekbones. Simple and easy. My kind of analogy or my map of how I explain contouring with the cheeks is kind of like, I don't know, wherever you live, if you have Neapolitan ice cream. Here in Canada, it's like a chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream. So I always say, you know, the dark is your chocolate, your blush is your strawberry, and your highlight is your vanilla. So right along there, you can see the difference. We'll do the other side. So now that I have my cheeks contoured and a little bit of contouring along here, I'm going to take the blush, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna overlap that spot that I just had there with the contour to blend it all together and bring my blush up over my cheekbone, but not up too high. You don't wanna bring your blush up too high, otherwise it makes it look like you've got blush all the way up under your eyes, which is not the coolest look. For daytime, it's kind of nice just to have a little sun-kissed look depending on what your day entails. So, there we go. So then you can go in with this little highlight. If you like more of a shimmer, this is a great highlight, and just go back under your eyes and along the top of your cheeks there for your final highlight. Okay. So face is done, now for the eyes. So I'm going to take my palette here. As you can see, I use it quite often. And what you want to do with your eyes for a simple day look is pick something that is, once again, very light, so highlighting. So I'm going to use the Marble, so it's more of just like a light white color here. And what I'm going to do is just bring it under my eye area. And really just kind of highlight around the eye, And same with this eye. Don't be shy with this stuff. Highlighting is okay. Okay. So now that the eyes are highlighted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a connecting color over my eyelid to blend when I want to transition into night. It's really easy, so I can just take, what I'm going to take today is the opal, which is kind of just like a nice shimmery gold, very, you know, light. It's nothing crazy, so I'm just going to brush it on here over the lid. Again, it's really nothing too bold. Over this lid. Simple, easy day look. Perfect. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shape and fill in my eyebrows. So what I have here is the Arbonne medium Shape It Up pencil. So it's really nice because it has the brush on one end and the pencil on the other end. So it's a nice compact set. And I'm going to do my brows. So before shaping your brows, what I want you to do is I want you to brush them out. So having them nicely brushed out can help you really shape them to their natural shape, if that's what you're going for. Some people like to go nice and bold. Personally, I like to just add to what's kind of already there. So then how you work with your eyebrows is just small little strokes. You will kind of want to make it still look like it's hair. And you don't want to go any further past where your eye, the corner of your eye is inwards, or it can kind of make your eyebrows come too close together, but you want to make sure that you're bringing it out this far. Otherwise it can make your eyebrows look like they're too far apart. So just lining the edge of your eyebrow up to start with the corner of your eye, and then just bringing it up. Want to happen here is you don't want to go too far past the line from your nose all the way up to the corner of your eye. So ending right where the pencil is there gives you a nice shape to finish off with. And okay, almost finished. Last step is going to be mascara. So I love, this is our older mascara. It's a long story. We do have an amazing new nourishing mascara that really helps you lengthen your eyelash, lengthen and nourish your lashes for a long lasting all day look. And I love that it's super easy and gentle to get off of your lashes at the end of the day. So it's not a struggle to be pulling on your eyelashes and damaging them when you're removing your makeup at the end of the day. And last but not least, for the day, depending on whether you like a gloss or a lipstick, one of my favorites is the Magnolia. So it's kind of just like a nude, really. So guys, that's it. This is my day look. Super easy, couple steps: primer, contour around the eyes, and any blemish area that you want to cover up. A little bit of foundation, liquid, set by the powdered foundation, a little contouring with some bronzer, and a little bit of blush to add to the cheeks, a little bit of highlight, around the eyes, brows, mascara, lips. Boom, done, ready for the day. 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be hard, guys. It doesn't have to take you a super long time. Even if you have children or you're busy, you know, if you feel better having a little bit of makeup glow, this is a super simple and easy way of getting your makeup on. This brush set makes it so easy to apply the makeup and fall in love with your skin and glowing makeup application every single day. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll be back for a night look.